Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that has the potential to transform your financial future: passive income streams. So, what exactly is passive income? In simple terms, it's money earned with minimal effort on your part after the initial setup. Think of it as a way to make your money work for you, rather than the other way around. The significance of passive income in achieving financial freedom cannot be overstated. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that your bank account is growing even while you sleep. This financial independence allows you to pursue your passions, spend more time with loved ones, or even travel the world without the constant worry of a 9-to-5 job. In this video, we'll explore the various benefits of passive income, including the ability to diversify your income sources and create a safety net for unexpected expenses. We'll also discuss how it can lead to a more fulfilling lifestyle, free from the constraints of traditional employment. But that's not all. We'll share effective strategies for making money online quickly, so you can start your journey toward financial freedom today. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, there's something here for everyone, so stick around as we uncover the secrets to building sustainable passive income streams that can change your life. Get ready to take notes and start your journey toward financial independence. Let's break down the concept of passive income and see how it differs from active income. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort after the initial investment of time or resources. This can come from various sources, such as rental income from properties, dividends from stocks, or royalties from creative works like books or music. Unlike active income, which requires you to trade your time for money, like a traditional job, passive income allows you to earn while you sleep. Creating multiple income streams is crucial in today's financial landscape. Relying solely on a single paycheck can be risky, especially in uncertain economic times. By diversifying your income sources, you not only increase your earning potential, but also create a safety net that can protect you from unexpected financial setbacks. For instance, if you have rental properties generating income while also receiving dividends from investments, you're less likely to feel the pinch if one source falters. The ultimate goal of building passive income streams is to achieve financial independence. Imagine a life where your expenses are covered by income that flows in without constant effort. This freedom allows you to pursue your passions, spend time with family, or even retire early. By understanding and implementing passive income strategies, you can take significant steps toward a more secure and fulfilling financial future. So let's explore how you can start building these income streams and move closer to that dream of financial independence. Now that we've covered the basics of passive income, let's explore some popular opportunities that you can tap into. First up is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services through unique referral links. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. Depending on the program, commissions can range from a few percent to over 50%, making it a lucrative option if you have a blog or social media following. Next, consider creating online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can develop a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once the course is created, it can generate income for years with minimal ongoing effort. Successful courses can earn anywhere from a few hundred to thousands of dollars each month, depending on the topic and marketing strategy. Another great option is stock investments. By purchasing shares in companies, you can earn dividends, which are payments made to shareholders. While the stock market can be volatile, investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady income stream. The potential earnings vary widely based on the stock's performance and the amount invested. As you explore these passive income ideas, think about which options align with your skills and interests. Are you a great communicator who enjoys teaching? Online courses might be your best bet. Do you have a knack for marketing? Affiliate marketing could be the way to go. By choosing methods that resonate with you, you'll be more motivated to succeed and build a sustainable income stream. Let's dive deeper into each of these opportunities in the upcoming segments. Ready to start building your passive income streams? Let's walk through some step-by-step instructions to help you get started effectively. First, choose the income stream that aligns with your skills and interests. Whether it's affiliate marketing, creating online courses, or investing in stocks, selecting the right path is crucial. Once you've made your choice, the next step is research and planning. Take the time to understand the market, identify your target audience, and analyze your competition. For affiliate marketing, explore different programs and products that resonate with your audience. If you're creating an online course, outline your content and determine the best platform to host it. For stock investments, familiarize yourself with the companies you're interested in and their financial health. This groundwork will set you up for success. After your research, it's time to take action. For affiliate marketing, start by creating a website or social media presence to promote your links. If you're developing an online course, begin recording your lessons and designing your course materials. For stock investments, open a brokerage account and start small, gradually increasing your investments as you gain confidence. Remember, consistency and patience are key. Passive income streams often take time to build and may not yield immediate results. Stay committed to your plan, regularly assess your progress, and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep yourself motivated. By following these steps and maintaining a long-term perspective, you'll be well on your way to establishing a successful passive income stream that can lead to financial freedom. Let's get started on this exciting journey. As you embark on your journey to generate passive income, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls that can hinder your success. One of the most significant mistakes is a lack of research. Jumping into a passive income stream without understanding the market, audience, or competition can lead to wasted time and resources. To avoid this, dedicate time to thoroughly research your chosen method. Read articles, watch tutorials, and connect with others who have experience in the field. Knowledge is power, and being well-informed will set you up for success. Another common mistake is having unrealistic expectations. Many people enter the world of passive income thinking they'll make a fortune overnight. The truth is, building a sustainable income stream takes time, effort, and often a bit of trial and error. Set realistic goals and timelines for your progress. Understand that results may not come immediately, and be prepared for a learning curve. Additionally, neglecting to track your progress can be detrimental. Regularly assess your efforts and make adjustments as needed. This will help you identify what's working and what isn't, allowing you to pivot your strategy effectively. Lastly, don't underestimate the value of learning from others' experiences. Seek out success stories and case studies in your chosen area. Join online forums or communities where you can share insights and ask questions. By learning from the experiences of others, you can avoid common mistakes and accelerate your journey toward generating passive income. Remember, every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow, so stay resilient and keep pushing forward. Let's dive into some inspiring success stories of individuals who have successfully built passive income streams. One notable example is Pat Flynn, the founder of Smart Passive Income. Pat started his journey by creating an online study guide for an architecture exam. After experiencing initial success, he expanded his efforts into affiliate marketing and podcasting. Today, he earns a substantial income through various passive streams, including online courses and affiliate partnerships. Pat faced challenges such as skepticism from others and the need to learn new skills, but his persistence and willingness to adapt led him to remarkable success. Another inspiring story is that of Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, who runs the blog Making Sense of Sense. Michelle began her blogging journey while paying off student loans. Through her blog, she discovered affiliate marketing and quickly learned how to monetize her content effectively. Despite facing challenges like balancing her full-time job and blogging, she remained committed to her vision. Today, Michelle earns a six-figure income primarily through her blog and online courses, proving that with dedication and the right strategies, financial freedom is within reach. These success stories highlight that building passive income is not just a dream, it's attainable with the right approach. Both Pat and Michelle faced obstacles along the way, but their determination and strategic planning allowed them to overcome challenges and achieve their goals. Their journeys serve as a reminder that success is possible for anyone willing to put in the effort and learn from their experiences. So, let these stories motivate you to take action and start your own path toward financial independence. As we wrap up this video, let's recap the key points we've discussed about building passive income streams. We explored various opportunities including affiliate marketing, creating online courses, and investing in stocks. Each of these methods offers unique benefits and potential earnings, allowing you to choose the path that best aligns with your skills and interests. We also highlighted the importance of research and planning, as well as the need for consistency and patience in seeing results. Remember, the journey to financial independence begins with taking action. It's not enough to simply learn about these strategies. You need to implement them. Start small, set realistic goals, and don't be afraid to adjust your approach as you learn what works best for you. The sooner you begin, the closer you'll be to achieving your financial dreams. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on passive income and financial freedom. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or family who might also benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more informative content and build a community focused on achieving financial success together. Unlock the secrets of passive income streams. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you feel inspired and equipped to start your journey toward building passive income streams. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to financial independence. So let's take those steps together. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into specific strategies for maximizing your passive income potential.